khona elinye lamavesi engilithanda kakhulu lithi the king's heart is in the hand of the Lord.
Yes.
As the rivers of the water, he turns it as he will. Okusho ukuthi inhliziyo yenkosi, malisho njalo eBhayibheli lisuke lingasho ukuthi inkosi ekholwayo noma inkosi enje. Lithi inhliziyo yenkosi okusho ukuthi even an evil king, ngisho ngathi umbuso onenhliziyo embi kanjani, inhliziyo yakhe isuke isesandleni sikaNkulunkulu. Njengomfula ugwegweza, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi uthatha inhliziyo yenkosi ayithene around ukuze ifeze leli cebo lakho. Yazi masifunda indaba ka Moses yolanda abantwana bakwa-Israyeli eGibhithe siyasingayinaki le ndaba ukuthi yayikakhulu ngenhliziyo. uNkulunkulu was trying to show us ukuthi I can harden the heart, I can soften the heart. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu mfethu ukuthi ungakhohlwa njalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu esimkholwayo uNkulunkulu okwazi ukuthatha inhliziyo ayiguqule ifave yena ezonikeza yena udumo. Njengoba wena usubona ngazothi you are done because indawo kuyo is horrible, indawo kuyo is toxic. Vuma la ngikhona ngimbonile uNkulunkulu ekwazi ukuthatha umuntu onenhliziyo embi menze akunikeze le promotion ebekade nqabela yona njalo ngelinye ilanga uthola mfethu yabona Vuma